Hey there, this is a video tutorial on how to use my TV show tracker. If you guys are so into your episodes and wanting to keep track of what you've watched and what's next, this is a perfect spreadsheet for you to use. We are going to start with this first row and I'll show you how it works. Okay, so on this first row, you're just going to want to write the name of the show. I've got some examples here, but I didn't want to use anything that was trademarked, so I just put random names. So if you want to just put in your my favorite show, your favorite show name, choose the category. So there's all sorts of categories to choose from. So say we are going to have do a reality show. And then the platform, this is going to be anything that's like, what are you watching it on? Are you watching it on Netflix? Are you watching it on Hulu? Are you watching it on Disney Plus, regular TV, whatever? So you can just write that there. The release date, so whenever the TV show like was first released, first episode, with the first episode, you can put that there. The latest episode release date, so say the last episode or the next episode is coming out on the 7th. Number of seasons, so say there's 5 seasons that are out right now. And you've watched 4 of them, and there's 145 episodes, and then you've watched 144 episodes. Status, so watching, needs new episode, want to watch, are you stopped watching, or you're complete? So say you're watching it now, and then you're rating the show 1 to 10. So say you have a 10, and then date complete. You can leave that blank if you're still watching it, but if you're done with the whole series, you could say you finished it. So the number of seasons watched, this is going to add up everything that is on this row for you. So that's going to be there. The number of episodes watched, that's going to be everything that is on this row. So if I add, I've watched 200 episodes, it's going to add to that number. And then the average show rating, it's going to average everything together and give you the 5.95. We also have a dashboard here. You can rate your top 10 favorite shows. So you can just come in here, best show ever. What is your favorite show? I just have a hard time deciding what my absolute favorite show is. I've got quite a few. Total episodes watched. So all these are going to come in automatically from this other page. So it's all automatic. And then it's going to show you the category of, you get 4 shows that you're watching, 4 that needs a new episode, 4 that you want to watch, 4 that you stopped, and then 5 that are complete. So that's essentially how it works. The README tab, as soon as I'm done with this video in a minute, will have the link to watching this YouTube video, and then that way you can have instructions if you get lost. So if you need anything, feel free to reach out. If you found me on YouTube, feel free to click on the link in the description below to purchase this spreadsheet. You can purchase it on my Etsy shop, savvyandthriving.etsy.com, or on my website, savvyandthriving.com. Thanks. Bye.